I will be demonstrating how to do the problem that Nacia posted in our first discussion. She put it as an attachment, and if you click it, you can see that it's this problem that I typed out over here. Now, I'm going to start off by pointing out, I've already written the formulas out for the purpose of the problem. So the distance formula you see here is going to be x2 minus x1 raised to the second degree. Oh, and then there's actually this 2 missing here. And then the midpoint formula on the other side. I underlined the y values in light blue, as you can see over here. And then the y values in green over here. So 23 would be x1, 28 would be x2, 21 would be y1, 24 would be y2. I'm going to go ahead and write that for you guys. Oh, that is actually not correct. So x1 is actually going to be 28, and then so that's x2 minus x1, which is 23. I'm going to have to extend that out a little bit, plus y2, which is 24, plus, I don't know, it's going to be minus y1, which is 21. So you can actually input this in the calculator, and if you input that in the calculator, it'll actually give you PQ equals, or the distance between PQ is going to be 34. If you wanted to put that in a decimal, it would be approximately 5.83. So that is going to be your answer. More than likely, it's probably going to be like this, or it can also be this. So that's going to be your answer. But you can actually plug this into your formula, into your scientific calculator, just like that, and it'll give you this answer that you're looking at, the square root of 34 or 5.83. That's a rounded decimal. The number after the 3 in 5.83 would have been 0, so we rounded down in that case. So for the midpoint formula, it's going to be x1 plus x2, so that's for whatever reason, okay. 23 plus 28 over 2. So it's going to give us an ordered pair, hence the comma that I'm putting here and the parentheses to separate these. So then there's going to be, I can make that nicer for you if you want. y2 plus y1, which is going to be 21 plus 24 divided by 2. So 23 plus 28 is 51, and 51 divided by 2 is 25.5. So that's going to be the first value, which would be the x value in this case of the ordered pair. 21 plus 24 is going to be 45, and divided by 2, that's 22.5. So that ordered pair is going to be your answer for the midpoint. So that's going to be your x and your y. Now the distance formula, I did check that on Mathway, and that was correct. So I can actually go back really quick and make sure that that's correct. I don't believe it's showing you on my screen recording me, but I don't have that version of the problem on my assignment. This is my more accurate way of checking. Okay, so in this case, on Mathway, it actually does not ask for it, or it didn't simplify it to this degree. So we could actually also list it as 51 over 2 and 45 over 2. According to Mathway, it wasn't really simplified, so I guess it can be either or. Thank you.